gamers all the time. Here with another Pop Toy review. This time I am doing Leonardo, the leader of the turtles. Last time I did Raphael. Okay, let's start this review. Unlike Raphael and Michelangelo, he has a blue bandana. He's got, I think his weapons are called katanas, and he's got an L down there, standing for Leonardo and leader. Yeah. Turn. Same with him. Really doesn't have anything different to change to look at. Yeah, okay. This blue bandana piece sticking out. Two-toed feet. Okay. Well, now that we're done with the figure. Okay, we've got the box. Like he's sneaking. Then we've got all 6 of the Ninja Turtle people. And we've got the full-on figure. Well, I hope you enjoyed Leonardo. And tune in next time for maybe Donatello. Because if Donatello doesn't come, then tune in for Gollum or RoboCop.